Still in St. James, the security forces are taking back Montego Bay. That declaration from newly appointed operations officer in Montego Bay, St. James, DSP Aaron Samuels, following a public safety and traffic enforcement operation in the town centre today. And the officers are receiving a nod of approval from the public. Jamaica Maitland has the details.
We have to start taking back St. James with basic public order, basic traffic enforcement, whilst we target the criminal gangs within the space.
Head of Operations DSP Aaron Samuels on the fight to rid Montego Bay St. James of lawlessness. During a joint operation Wednesday, police, soldiers, municipal police and transport officers conducted a snap traffic enforcement exercise in the town centre. Several motor vehicles were seized, license plate removed and motorists arrested for breaching the Road Traffic Act.
They are placing them behind the Jamaican license plate, which actually obscure the Jamaican license plate, because what it's doing is actually creating different letters and numbers on the vehicle that actually obscure the Jamaican license plate, and can be very it can be very difficult for persons to actually identify the registration letter and number for the particular vehicle in the event that they need to report something that happens, or the vehicle, if the vehicle was involved in, say for example, an accident or some other act.
Lead sheets used in lottery scamming were also discovered in some of the vehicles.
With identity information of persons residing overseas, we have also seized several pounds of ganja, several offensive weapons.
The police say the town centre has become the stomping ground for criminals who live in nearby communities. Intra-gang conflict within the G-City gang has been spilling over in the streets in the last 2 weeks.
Because of the intense police operations within the South Spring and other communities where the gang is dominant, we are seeing murders and other shootings playing out within the town centre. So we feel that it is prudent for us to come out and execute these operations in areas and communities close to the town centre where we know that these gang members operate, and they are hiding out.
The security forces are expected to maintain its presence in the space. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.